on a new season of Yo-Yo and Peanut. Aha! This is my new hat, hooray!
Elijah, you know that's my hat.
And a new animal.
Hello, I am Mr. Krabs. What's up, Amira, me boy?
Mr. Krabs, I think you need to go to therapy. And a new Avery and a new girl.
Who is that in my house?
Elijah's just pissing us off more. Please just give our stuff back. Join us on a new season adventures of the Yo-Yo and Peanut Show. Who is this loaf of crap? Season 3, coming on March 1st. I am going to sleep now, me boy.